In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly present your Google Slides during a Google Meet call. This is a really handy skill to have for meetings, online classes, or any kind of virtual presentation where you want to share your slides with participants. Let's dive right into it and make sure you get the most polished and professional presentation experience possible. First things first, ensure you're all ready in your Google Meet call. If you're hosting, you might have kicked things off already, but if you're joining, settle in and make sure that everything on the call is functioning as it should. Next, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation. To keep things organized and your transition smooth, have your slides open in a separate browser tab. This will allow you to switch back and forth more efficiently and helps keep everything under control, minimizing interruptions during your presentation. Now, back in your Google Meet window, look for the option to share your screen. You'll find this under a button labeled Present Now, a little icon usually located on the bottom right of your Meet window. Go ahead and click on it, and then select a tab from the options that pop up. This is key because it allows you to focus only on the tab you intend to present, which in this case is your Google Slides presentation, without accidentally showing other open tabs or your entire screen. Once you click a tab, a new window will appear showing all the open tabs in your browser. Carefully scroll through and select the tab where your Google Slides are open. Once it's highlighted, click on the Share button to start presenting your slides. An important tip to note here: if your presentation includes audio, perhaps a video embedded in one of the slides or any kind of background music, make sure to check the box labeled Share Tab Audio before you click Share. This ensures the sound will play through your call as intended, delivering the complete experience of your presentation. With that sorted, swiftly move back to your Slides tab. Here, you're ready to click on Slideshow or Start Slideshow, depending on what your screen displays. This action will begin the full-screen presentation mode, presenting your slides to everyone in the call in the sequence you've arranged them. Once your presentation is complete, it's important to properly close it. Head back to your Google Meet tab. You should see an option labeled Stop Presenting. Click it to stop sharing your screen with the participants and bring the focus back to the meeting itself. This is a courtesy to help signal the end of your presentation and smoothly transition back to the meeting context. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps will ensure your Google Slides presentation during a Google Meet runs without a hitch, making your presentation experience fluid and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.